arm relaxation and movement on the ground. This exercise is for those who want to relax their arms more and more, to be one with the breath and to dive deep into the small movements. Starting position. Lie down on the ground and feel the head, back and the inside of the feet resting on the ground. The knees are bent slightly. Take 2 soft balls and place them under your pelvis and a soft ball to put under your hand or your left wrist. Feel how the weight of your entire arm is relaxing more and more to the floor, to the gravitational force of the earth. Feel which part of the arm is connecting very naturally with the ground and gently starts to move. Roll your arm around the wrist. Be conscious that there are many different rhythms and motions, sometimes faster, sometimes slower. Let the movement increase finer and softer, so you become more and more permeable. The body is becoming more conscious of every movement you are performing. Feel the movement of the arm at the waves of the ocean, at the water of the river never ending. Experience how such little movement moves the entire body in a different level of frequency. Through this, you experience another level of consciousness. Now, your movement has become one with the ball. You will feel the peace in every cell of your body. Now, get to this new awareness into the next expansion phase. Put the ball under the forearm, then under the elbow or upper arm. Discover different parts of your arm in rest and relaxation through little tiny movements. Now, your whole arm is completely relaxed and you experience a new motion quality of movement. Relaxation gives you a new movement quality. Rename this new sense of movement and move your left arm compared to the other arm. If you compare both arms, what for difference do you feel between them? Is one arm maybe heavier or lighter than the other? Did the mobility of the whole arm, shoulder joints or shoulder blade change? Without judging the experience, we enjoy the new feeling of the relaxed arm. Now let us begin to relax the other arm and let us enjoy the creative movements with all our senses. Now, both arms are relaxed, and then we can go to another exercise. We move both arms together on the ground. Our advantage is that we can use the gravity to move both arms on the ground, so our movement gets easy and simple. Place both arms as you find is as enjoyable as possible, with the palms towards the ceiling. Feel the contact surface of the arms on the floor and raise both arms at the same moment a few millimeters off the ground, as if they were floating. Let both arms sink back to the floor, as if they were weightless or surrounded by a cloud, which carried them gently and softly. Do it at your own pace and how often you like, and see the easy connectedness and permeability of the arms. Perceive the connection of the wrist, elbow joint and shoulder blade. Now begins the journey of both arms floating above the ground towards your head. Rest and relax both arms, like in the beginning, as often as you like on the floor. An image of a clock with a minute hand as your arms are maybe helpful for you. The breaks in between, give the movement the possibility to feel the lightness and the connection of both arms like a leaf on the water. When you arrive with your movement at your highest point close to the head, feel the relaxation of both arms on the floor. Please take the freedom to adjust the exercise towards your pleasure of moving so that your arms enjoy the movements. For example, you can bend your arms at the elbow so that the arm can easily merge with the ground like a heavy, tasty cream when it melts in the sun. Another picture for you. The sun holds out your sun rays towards the airs, like your hands. Or you see yourself in a salty sea and the water carries your whole body. Enjoy the movement with these wonderful pictures. Now your arms can glide the way back down. Repeat the relaxing feeling as often as you want, and feel free to find your own free moments of relaxation and develop your creativity and freedom to move more and more with pleasure. The exercise was inspired by the Eric Franklin method. I connected it with my experience during my training as a yoga teacher in India. For more information about the anatomy and imagination, visit the Franklin Method website. Enjoy the experience every moment with all your senses. Thanks for listening.